how to close autocorrect on iPhone. By closing autocorrect on iPhone, I'm pretty sure you mean that you would like to delete or turn off the autocorrection feature because some of the words are not as you intended. You're talking in your native language aside from English and it's just correcting it back to English, which is sometimes quite annoying, frankly. So to delete or turn off the autocorrect feature, you have to go to the settings app. From the settings app, straightforward, you go to the general option. From general, again, you want to scroll and just look for the option that says keyboard, as you can see here. Once you tap the keyboard option, here you'll find these options right here, and once you tap on these, you'll find a couple of options where you'll find the option called autocorrect. In my case, I've already turned it off. If it is turned on, you will see it's turned on in green toggle right here. To turn it off, you just have to turn off the toggle like this, and autocorrect will be successfully disabled, and this way you'll be able to turn off autocorrect on iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.